all just falls.
Damn. Well, let me try it with the box end wrench here, see if that'll do anything. Nope. Alright, that's on there really tight.
Just waiting for those bolts to soak in WD-40. Pretty nice out. It's like kind of raining. It was just like barely sprinkling for like a little bit.
If you can, make sure to put the bolts back in location.
Yeah, I think we do have to take that off.
This?
Yeah.
Alright, that's gonna take some work.
Oh, my breaker. I feel like I need to get my breaker bar.
Okay. So I'm gonna push down now.
Okay.
Oh yes. That worked. Alright. Yes. Alright. That tightened it. Why is it set to tighten mode? Just undid all the work I just did.
Yeah. No, it's like a lot when you have to like deal with the fucking camera and work on the car at the same time. That's why working on this car by myself is a nightmare. It's like I'm still on the bolt. You're almost there. You're at the very end.
Good.
It's kind of done, huh? How the fuck is hella brake fluid coming out?
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense.
That's so weird.
Like these, I honestly don't know. I'm just gonna wiggle on this until something happens. Oh, okay. So you got pistons on both sides, and brake fluid goes through this to get to the piston. Wow, that's gonna take a lot of bleeding, because we're gonna get there's a lot of air in there right now. This is fine too. Like, I'm not seeing a problem here, other than not knowing how to put this back together exactly. Like, that goes in here, doesn't it? Like that? Or where was this?
So on the other side, we ended up taking off the front of the caliper and kind of doing it that way. That took a lot of time, so we ended up just saying it's just two 17mm bolts on the top and the bottom, and then this whole caliper should come off. But we're taking off these two screws right here, holds on this metal clip, and then the brake pad should just pop right out.
Holy shit, dude.
Yeah, that's on there pretty good.
That's rusted on there.
You think if we like sprayed it with WD-40 it would do anything?
I mean, it couldn't hurt.
Might as well.
Yeah, you can see all the rust. Like, it's made like a solid. Damn.
Oh, it's moving.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. See? I had to hit it back and forth like this. All right, cool.
Nice. Oh yeah, how's your girlfriend? Are you still seeing that girl?
We're just friends now.
Okay.
We're friends and roommates. Shit, moved back in.
That's dope, dude.
I think she's kind of disappointed that I didn't want to hang out with her today, and then I came over here instead. But whatever, I don't get to see you that often, so.
Yeah, I think last time we saw each other was when we worked on the MR2, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, last year.
Damn, it's already been a year.
Not a whole year, I said last year. So.
Oh, yeah, I understand.
It's a lot because we got a lot of air in the system over here.
Yeah.
So, brake fluid. You got a funnel or anything, or you're just gonna pour straight?
Yeah, I'm just gonna pour straight.
All right.
Thanks.
The camera, I'll do it.
Kind of a bummer. I have like a whole new brake master cylinder for this thing.
Huh, what do you need that for? You already have one. Is it leaking or something?
Yeah, I think it's leaking.
Oh, dang. Now we build a brake bleeding kit out of a water bottle and a hose. So we need to add some brake fluid to the bottom of it. We need about like ½ inch of brake fluid in the bottom of the bottle. Alright, should be good.
Alright.
Because it's possible for the brake fluid to get sucked back up into the system, that's why. So we don't really want water in it.
Yeah.
Let's see if the hose even found the
I hope so. I'm not trying to go back to the hardware store. I mean, the other thing I need to get is some like orange soap.
Oh, it's good. It's good. You just really gotta force it on there.
Alright, man, that's good. Alright, so
We start with the other side, yeah?
no.
Start with this side?
Farthest from the
driver?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll just have you pump. Leg workout in for the day. That's all I know you do is play video games and watch anime. Dude, I need to get an exhaust for this thing. It sounds so bad without the cats. Like, don't ever get rid of your cats. Sounds like shit.
My MR2's never had cats.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, you have a turbo, so
Sure.
makes it a lot better.
Yeah.
Alright. I think I'm gonna have to hammer this one off. Alright, bet. Get this shit out.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that.
I don't know if these need a braking process either.
Oh yeah, probably.
Let me look that up. But they definitely stop a lot better. They're still like soft. My pedal feels good.
Stiffer, yeah.
But like the braking force itself doesn't feel like great.
Yeah, you probably just have to brake them in.
Yeah.
Like what I do, I go out to Torrey Road to that straight. I go up to 60 miles an hour, and then I just slam on the brakes.
Really?
And then I do that like 3-4 times.
All right. Well, the fun didn't last too long. Currently broken down the side of the road. I'm about like 15 minutes away. I'm like damn near home. Brakes work good. It's not the problem here, but this is the problem that we're having now. So whack. Yeah, so I blew an airline because my dumb ass, the way I put the airline, it's like right in the wheel well, and I was riding too low, so it must have punctured a hole. So that sucks. I don't have any tools on me. Don't really want to call AAA because this is gonna take too fucking long. So I have some zip ties. Hopefully gonna zip tie the hole. Maybe it'll get me home. But I'll update you guys in a sec. All right. Well, that shit's not gonna work. Those zip ties aren't gonna work at all. So basically just gonna try to air it up all the way home. I'm like 15 minutes away, so I don't know. This shit sucks. I'm so annoyed right now. I gotta keep stopping because I only have one compressor to fill up this 5-gallon tank. Has to get to 155 like 150 psi, and I'll be good to go. This front ride is just leaking out so fast. I can't even really go that far before the tank gets emptied. I give it like an hour before I'm home. Can't wait to be home. Well, I'm literally rolling on 0 psi. I just have to be very I just have to be very careful, and I can only go straight. Oh god, this sucks. Well, kinda had a feeling that was gonna happen. Alright, I just reset my whole management system because I was saying the compressor was being overran. I'm probably just gonna sit here for like 15-20 minutes. start driving the car again because I don't really want to burn out the compressor. This is going to be another thing to fix. My camera won't focus. I'm like 5 minutes away from home, not too far. Just gonna wait it out. Away home. I might take fill up because there's some gnarly bumps over here, so I'm gonna air it up all the way home. I was letting it sit at 0 because I'm trying not to let this compressor run too long. It's honestly fun the hell out of me. I'm probably gonna hear it in my dreams later tonight. But yep, almost home. Sweet. Bumper still intact. Made it home. If you guys are new, like and subscribe. If I can get like 50 likes on this video, that'd be super sick. All you have to do is like the video and it helps out push the video to more people. If you guys can do that, I'd be really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.